Today we're gonna do a guide for the second word, mirahq, for the second word mirahq, all the missions. I'm also gonna film the missions that you don't know, all the missions that go like when the mission is gonna go back. So now to get all the missions, you have to press on the computer at the start and just click on every tab and click greenhouse and then click this too, and it's gonna make it's your mission, and it's gonna like X mark. That means if you need to do this mission. You see, I'm gonna do all the missions because it's a guide. You can choose which missions you're not good or which missions you wanna practice. I'm gonna show you all the missions because I know some people struggle with couple missions or don't know what to do. So in this video, you're gonna understand what you need to do on the missions. Yeah, that's all. Okay, you see the dummy here? Okay, this mission is some people don't know what to do, so you have to hit the rocks. You see there's rocks, you have to hit them. It's pretty difficult, and it's pretty easy, but on the computer it's easier on the phone. So in the phone it's like you have to hit 20 rocks and it's gonna stop. You see, hitting 20 rocks, it's stopped. Oh, you see, okay. This one is a mission that you have to, this is the trash one. You pull, just whoosh, the trash is gone, you're all good and like as a new. This mission is pretty easy also. You see there's A1, okay, sorry. A1, you have to do, just press A1 and it's not it. And then you press B1. You have to just empty the whole vending machine. And B2, you just empty all the vending machine. This is the mission. It's a pretty long one, but it's a lot of fun. I know all the vendors here. You know how fun it is pressing the buttons, so it's for you. This mission, I like this mission, so yeah, it's a nice mission to do. I'm gonna come back to you in a couple of seconds. Now I'm in the office. Oh, sorry. Now I'm in the office, and there's a like computer. We need to press on it, just like a little press, and you just press download. And the person is just downloading a mail, I don't know, an email, sorry, an email, and it's done. Oh, there is, okay, let's go, down, and, oh, I missed it, and press. You have to press on this thing and press at the same time on the done. The mission is done. Now there is, you see, like a greenhouse, and there's this mission. It's a pretty. Now you just have to like get the leaves out, and yeah, pretty easy. Oh, sorry, get out of it. Easy task. Yep, no, nothing hard here. Now let's go to the different task. This world is a pretty difficult one. I don't know if a lot of people know this world, so I'm trying to show you this world. Let's go here. There's a lot of missions here, and let's go there. Okay, I missed it. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I like this noise. I missed it! Oh, now I can go. I'm stuck again. Yeah, I'm stuck. Now let's go. Okay, this mission is done. Okay, this mission is a pretty easy one. You have to stack these things. Okay. Stack these things by its order. They're not super difficult, nothing to worry. No. Sorry for the audio, it's a little late. It's because it's not the best audio, but you have to do. Okay, yeah, you see the audio is getting better. This way. Done. Here you have to sort the rocks by its right leg position. And yep, pretty easy. And down. And down. And down. And down. And down. Okay, the task is done. Now, okay, the task is done. Now let's go. Okay, it's hard, you know. Okay, let's see. We have some tasks here, and we do actually. Ooh, pretty tragic music, but we're gonna just do it. I don't remember. It's pretty easy task. Oh, sorry guys. Dun 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 dun. Now, 3, 2, 1, press! The task is on and I do this. That's all we have to do. And we have this one also as well. And we have another one, and we have another one of those, we just have to write. Okay, another one, It's annoying already, and then let's get it. And another one. And let's get it, and that's all. No. And another one. And another one. It's annoying, I know. And another one. And another one. And that's all. The continuing is gonna be in the next part. I hope you enjoyed the first part, and thank you for watching.